Hello guys, welcome to GRS Talks. In this video, I'm just going to discuss and explain about the DXC Technologies interview experience. Before going to the explanation of DXC Technologies interview experience, please do subscribe this channel and like this video and share to your friends. Actually, the DXC Technology is very good company. It's one of the top MNC. The DXC Technologies interview consists of three rounds. The first round is online screening test, and second round is technical interview, and third round is HR interview. Before going to these three rounds, we have to know about DXC Technologies. What is that company? Where it was when it was established, and what are the services these are providing the employees present in DXC Technologies. Actually, here we are seeing that the company was formed on April 1st, 2017, and by the merger of CSC and CSC and the enterprise service businesses of Hewlett Packaged Enterprises. Actually, the DXC is headquarters in Tyson's Corners, Virginia, USA, and it is a worldwide company. And John Michelor is the present chairman, president, and CEO at DXC Technologies. Here we are seeing that as a world leading independent end-to-end IT services company. DXC Technology leads digital transformation. These are the services for the clients by modernization and integrating their mainstream IT cloud infrastructure and management consulting. The company's technology independence and global talent and extensive partner network enables 6,000 private and public sector clients in 70 countries. Actually, these companies having the 6,000 private and public sector clients here overall 70 countries in the world. Coming to the first round is online screening test. This round consists of two phases. The first phase is aptitude and the second phase is programming. Aptitude test consists of these types. The first one is numerical, second one is logical reasoning, and third one is English, and fourth one is basic computer knowledge. Coming to the numerical, these are the topics you need to cover thoroughly for the aptitude test. Coming to numerical, time and distance, time and work, profit and loss, simple interest and compound interest, number series, etc. These are the topics you need to cover in numerical. And coming to the logical reasoning, they are mainly concentrated on verbal and non-verbal, and finally data sufficiency. The third one is English. English is nothing but the comprehension like paragraphs, and next one is sentence correction, rearrange sentences, synonyms and antonyms, phrases and idioms, syllogisms, complete the sentences, etc. The fourth one is basic computer knowledge. It's related to our computers and MS Office, email services, and file extensions. These all the data is belongs to the round 1 online screening test. Next, move to the round 2. Actually, the round 2 is the technical interview. In technical interview, the choice of language is C++, Python, Java. Okay, here we are seeing that, sorry, in round 1 we are having programming also. In that programming, you can choose any language: C++, Python, Java. There were two programs to be executed. You have to execute two programs in the first round programming part. The first one is easy level and second one is difficult level. Here easy level is nothing but here they gave one example to find sum of squares of numbers between given range. The difficulty level is based on real-time problems. Okay, for example, they will give one problem, we have to solve like hacker rank problems. Coming to the second round, so here some of the tips we can see here. Tips to clear online test: for numerical aptitude, attend PALR classes and solve given handouts, and solve questions from online websites like IndiaBix is very good website, and we are having app as well. If you want, you can download through Play Store. For verbal reasoning, refers Vikosh handbook and don't spend time to practice non-verbal reasoning questions. English comprehensions can be attended last, and first complete easy questions like sentence corrections, synonyms or antonyms, etc. Data sufficiency and analysis look like time consuming, but it will be easy to find answers, which brings you good score. And for programming, refer standard programming is available on internet. For geeks, hackathon, like that. Coming to the round 2 is technical interview. The mainly asked questions were: tell me about your educational background, asked about my favorite subject, and asked to explain your favorite project, what you done in your bachelor engineering or diploma, whatever it is. As a favorite of, if you tell the favorite subject, then the questions will be posed from that subject only. So here tips you can see, as it is IT company, even though it is a technical round, obviously they test your communication skills, confidence. So be confident on whatever you talk about, and talk about only what you know, as they make ask detailed questions. And what you say politely no. If you don't know about what they ask, they also test your honesty levels. And third round is HR interview. It's a cool round, and you can talk with HR and communicate with HR. Very cool. Here are the some of the questions you need to face at the time of HR interview. Introduce yourself, tell me about your family, why you want to join IT. I also talked about my social initiatives. You can talk here. Tips we can see for HR: what you mention in resume is very important. Resume is the success key for your interview. Okay, what you mention in resume, be prepared and explain with justification. Don't mention anything blindly. If you are confident about the particular topic and keyword presented in resume, then only you should post those keywords in that. And put only real hobbies, know your personalities and confidence levels, communications, and work on weak areas. So finally, you should be confident on everything what you should mention in resume. Okay, all the best for you all, bright future. So thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, company interview experiences, and to know how to answer why should we hire you, tell me. But you sure, if you want to know all these answers, please do subscribe and share this video to your friends. You will get many videos regarding the interview section. Thank you for watching.